Hello everyone, my name is Mark and I'm going to show you step by step how to change the drum on a Whirlpool front loading automatic washing machine, model number WWDC 6200. It's a 6 kilo drum. Unfortunately now when it works per se, the bearings have gone. So that needs to be changed for a new one that I've got off the internet. So let's begin, shall we? Firstly, you'll have to take the two screws out the back, which are located in either corner of the machine, to release the lid, and then we'll take it from there. Lid lifts off, like that. Next, take the powder drawer out. And there will be 3 locator screws at the front. You need to remove those. And then there are 2 more at the front, at the top, which will then release the control panel for the front. Then next, remove the wires that are at the top of the water inlet, which you just pinch with your fingers and you lift straight up. And using your screwdriver that you've used to take the lid off, there's 2 pins at the top of the pump, push them in and twist it gently for the water inlet. Which will release the hose in. There's a further screw at the top that holds the detergent drawer in place. Now that's free, you need to remove the rubber off the front of the machine, which is easily done by, there's a locator pin down here. Get your screwdriver, pull it down, release the spring and take the ring off. Folding the rubber back, you release the drum from the front. Okay. Next, the door catch. Take the door catch off by undoing the 2 screws. And this will slide out. Now there are 2 wires on this catch which you have to release. Again, by pinching the little block. And that will drop down, which connects in there. Now a little tip, put your screws back in to the holder, because if you don't like like me. Sometimes you might forget what screws go where. Right. Next, we are going to remove the kick panel from the front of the machine. Like so. Now you've got 2 screws at the top and you've got 3 additional ones at the bottom. Undo those screws and that will release the front of the machine so you can easily get access to the mains inside. Make sure you put your hand on the top of where the door is when you take the last screw out. And then all it is a gentle tap upwards and the front will come off. Like so. Put that somewhere safe. Last thing you want is a broken door. Put the screws with it. Right. Now you can remove the powder drawer once you've got your pliers and you remove the safety clip, which holds the pipe to the bottom of the powder drawer. Like so. And that's your powder drawer out. Next, we need to remove the concrete block off the top. Makes life a lot easier in the long run, because trying to lift this thing out with it in is not really a task you want to do.